New into inventory at JLD Auto Group is this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport Coupe. This example is finished in Cortez Silver Exterior paint, which is a color that of course adorned many Chevrolet vehicles in the late 1960s. This is cast over a black vinyl interior. This one also sports Tuxedo Black painted stripes. Right around 34,000 miles can be seen on the odometer for this example, but of course that odometer information has to be essentially taken with a grain of salt. This one is powered by the 396 cubic inch V8, which in this car is mated to a 3-speed automatic transmission. Refurbished Super Sport wheels there are wrapped in updated BFGoodrich tires, and a black vinyl top can provide a nice little color split for the exterior, accenting the silver and chrome accents for the outside of this one. This car does sport the boxed rear control arms, F41 Rear Suspension, and a 12-bolt rear end. Making your way inside, we notice the front black vinyl finished bucket seats. A correct 2-piece steering sector is also present for this Chevelle. We notice also the 3-speed automatic gear lever there in the center console. Factory dashboard is also present in this one, sporting a tachometer as well. Very clean inside here, front and back. Bench seat, of course, adorning the rear seats for this one. The spare tire is mounted in the trunk, and this one, of course, as with our vehicle previews, as always, will get a startup clip shortly and a look underneath the hood at the engine bay.